Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: account access, email verification, and two-factor authentication. This prevents lockouts during setup. Once done, open your browser, pick the correct environment, production versus development, and sign in. Next, create a new session or project immediately so you start working with real context. Make sure to load any data files or templates you prepared. Doing this reduces interruptions later and gives you a concrete workspace to follow the next steps without guesswork. Now configure the app's core workflows. Name your project, assign permissions, and apply the template you selected. These choices shape every action you take later. Once configured, map inputs to the correct fields and validate using a small sample dataset so you catch mapping errors early. Then enable any automations or rules required for full functionality. Make sure integrations like API keys and webhooks are set, and test them in a sandbox environment to confirm end-to-end behavior. Finish by reviewing all settings, running a full validation, and deploying to production with a clear rollback plan. Once deployed, monitor activity and logs closely for 24 to 72 hours and collect user feedback to catch issues quickly. If something goes wrong, first check permissions, field mapping, and integration logs. These are the most common failure points. If required, revert to your previous snapshot, fix the root cause, and redeploy. This sequence keeps you in control and minimizes downtime for users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.